This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn traded both sides before closing higher yesterday. We saw pressure continue to come from a lack of demand and rapid planting pace, but the positive story was ethanol. Ethanol production came in at 537,000 barrels per day in yesterday's weekly report, and that was a decrease of 7,000 barrels a day from the previous week, and down 47.6% from last year. Now, that's not good news, but the good news was that after 5 straight weeks of seeing ethanol stocks grow up to record levels, we saw stocks drop by 1.4 million barrels yesterday. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading unchanged. The soybean market traded higher on technical buying and export demand. We saw Mexico step up and buy 109,000 tons of soybeans. In the overnight trade, we're seeing a continuation of that move higher, with spot soybean futures trading 3 cents higher as I record this. The wheat market, on the other hand, took a thumping as we're seeing beneficial rains move across Europe this week. Kansas City wheat traded lower in sympathy with the Chicago markets, despite fears of crop losses from the recent freeze across the southern plains. Minneapolis wheat saw pressure coming from improving spring wheat planting as a result of mostly favorable weather across the northern plains. In the overnight, we have Chicago and Kansas City each trading 3 cents lower, while Minneapolis is unchanged. Cotton futures turned in a solid performance, with the July futures up 134 points to settle at 57.12. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures up an additional 24 points. Livestock futures were a mixed bag on Wednesday. June live cattle futures ended today 42.5 cents lower, while August feeder cattle were 52.5 cents higher at the closing bell. Lean hog futures lost some ground, with the June futures down 67.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures kept their recent winning streak alive, with the June futures closing 51 points higher to settle at 12.63. In the overnight trade, we're trading off just a touch, trading 12 points lower as I record this. Meat cutout values continue to move into uncharted territory yesterday, which saw choice beef boxes $26.56 higher to close at $357.38, while selects were $19.03 higher as they settle at $339.91. Backyard grilling looks like it's going to be pretty expensive this summer. Pork carcass cutout values were $2.24 higher as they closed at $90.73. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.